Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and we are going to be inspecting another crawl space that we just wrapped up in Ocean View, Delaware. We think you guys will really love how this turned out, but we're going to walk you through what we did, why we did it, and stay tuned. Okay, so here we are in this crawl space in Ocean View, Delaware, and it didn't really have any large bulk water moisture problem, but more humidity, and the customer wanted to make sure that they were able to control the humidity before they had a major mold problem. So we just finished this up with our new HydroSeal vapor barrier, and there is our April Air 1850 workhorse dehumidifier, and we'll work our way over there here shortly. But we have the vapor barrier sealed to the walls, and we have the columns all wrapped and sealed to make sure that the vapor doesn't come from the ground up into the crawl space. So as you can see there, all the pillars are nicely sealed and wrapped. This is a very, very strong 100% woven vapor barrier that is on the ground, and it has some other properties that we'll cover in some additional videos here in the future. But I want to walk you around. Here you can see all the vents have been sealed. We got our termite inspection gap, so everything is good there for the pest control companies. You can look over here and see how everything is sealed very well. Again, keeping that moisture under control, because the moisture in the ground wants to evaporate up into your crawl space, and then go into the wood framing members and allow for fungal growth, and also get up into the insulation and start weighing it down, and you'll start seeing these stalactites of fallen insulation. Then you lose your R value, and then you lose your energy efficiency. So you don't really want that to happen. So let's get back to getting ourselves over here to our April Air. Just if everybody bears with me. So again, here's our workhorse dehumidifier, April Air 1850. Again, we always duct our dehumidifiers to the opposite end of the crawl space, which is way over there. And, well, let me show you. Way over there. And that will allow the dehumidifier to not short cycle. Let's go ahead and check what the relative humidity is. Trying to see if I can get in here to see this one. All right, down to 58%. We just set this one to 45%, so that'll drop down now within the next 24 hours. We also had to do some support beams here, so we got the structural support completed as well for the homeowner. They're extremely happy. But again, just take a look at the quality of work the guys did. If you guys are looking for crawl space encapsulation in Maryland, Delaware, South Carolina, give Hydro Hero a call, 302-321-7077, and follow us on the web at hydrohero.com. And if you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. And if you guys like our crawl space videos and want to continually see more content like this, please type yes in the comments below. If you have suggestions for other videos that you'd like to see, please go ahead and put those in the comments below as well. We'd love to get some feedback on the type of videos that you're most interested in. And we really appreciate everything you guys do. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.